Want to remove the Spectrum TV app from your Roku? It's a simple process to free up space or troubleshoot issues. First, press the Home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to the Spectrum TV channel tile. Press the ** button on your remote to bring up the options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm your choice. The app will now be uninstalled. This removes the app but doesn't cancel your Spectrum subscription. Manage that separately. Remember, uninstalling can resolve glitches like buffering or login errors. After uninstalling the Spectrum TV app, rebooting your Roku is crucial. This clears the cache and refreshes the system. Go to Settings, then System, then Power, and select System Restart. Alternatively, unplug your Roku device for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Note that the Spectrum TV app is approximately 50 to 100 megabytes in size. For security, Spectrum implemented two-factor authentication in Q1 2025, improving security during uninstall-reinstall cycles. This process works on all Roku models,